All right, reassembling the front axle to the tractor. The axle went onto the steering gear housing without incident. Took two people though to line up this bar that holds it in place. Getting that thing inserted was a bit of a challenge, but two sets of eyes was the key. Got the adjustable axles installed on both sides. Examined the tie rods ends, and I thought I might have to replace them, but these things are nice and tight, and I inserted grease into them, and so they all took grease, and I got some nice some brand new dust covers, so that saves me some money there. I'm having a little bit of trouble with this, move these out of the way, with this support bar for the steering gear housing. I can't get this bolt here to line up, and I'm not panicking just yet. I'm thinking once I put the wheels back on this thing and lower it to the ground, maybe it's binding some, and that'll loosen it up and allow me to insert the bolt and get this thing finally completely installed. I was able to find some period rims for this tractor, and I'm not going to put aftermarkets on them, so I need to get those sandblasted and take them down to the tire shop and have them mount my tires onto the period rims. That's all for now. Good night.